Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi easy for beginners. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is crucial. Use short-grain sushi rice for the best texture and flavor. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water until the water runs completely clear. Then, cook your rice with a 1-to-1 ratio of water to rice for about 15 minutes, letting it steam for 10 more. Next, prepare your rolling station. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your perfectly seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. Now, arrange your favorite fillings, such as fresh fish, avocado, or cucumber, in a line across the center of the rice. Now for the fun part, rolling. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings. Begin to roll the sushi tightly forward, applying gentle, even pressure with your fingers to keep everything compact. Continue rolling until you reach the end of the nori. Use a tiny bit of water on the final edge to seal the roll securely. Finally, it's time to slice and enjoy your homemade sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with a little water, to make clean cuts. Slice your roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, wiping the blade between cuts for the best results. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.